Hello everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be making peppered goat meat. If this is your first time in my channel, you're welcome. So let's get started. I'll start by adding washed goat meat to the pot, onion, seasoning cube, salt, fresh thyme, curry. Then I will mix it together. Then I'll cover it and let it extract its juice. Okay, this is fine. Then I'll add water and let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes until the meat is tender. Okay, this is fine. Time to fry. Now add the boiled meat to hot oil and fry until both sides turns golden brown. Now this is fine. Using the same oil, I'll reduce the quantity, then add onion and fry it for about 60 seconds. And add my pepper mix and fry it for another 5 to 8 minutes until the oil starts to float on top. This is fine. Now add seasoning cube. Stir it together. Curry, salt, then gently stir them together. Okay, this is fine. I'll let it simmer for 2 minutes. Then add the fried goat meat. Mix it properly and let it simmer for another 90 seconds. And here is our peppered goat's meat. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do have a wonderful week. Bye.